Imagine a world where creativity knows no bounds. That was the vision behind South by Southwest. But it all began with glorious chaos. In 1987, the festival launched, driven by pure passion. A team from the Austin Chronicle, including Roland Swenson and Nick Barbaro, sought to spotlight Austin's vibrant talent. With no plan or budget, they gathered independent artists and fans to create something special. They used borrowed phones for calls and handmade flyers. Every detail was a labor of love, and it was anything but polished. When the first event kickstarted, it was overwhelming. Registration happened in a hotel room. Badges were created with paper clips. An unexpected cold front left them scrambling. Yet despite the turmoil, attendees flooded in. The atmosphere buzzed with excitement. What did they get right? Heart. South by Southwest thrived on its love for artists and culture. Mistakes were made, like underestimating attendance, but these blunders contributed to the festival's authenticity. South by Southwest soon embraced film and multimedia, reflecting the versatility of artists. It became a sanctuary for creativity, where misfits flourished. They never aimed for fame. They just wanted to give local talent a stage. The message is clear. Start before you're ready. Embrace the chaos. Care deeply and the community will show up. South by Southwest embodies that spirit, an imperfect, glorious beginning that transformed into something extraordinary. Join the future of creativity. Dive into your wildest dreams today.